All right, guys, Dylan Yorks here from Colton RV in North Tonawanda. I'm going to be showing you around our brand new 2020 Primetime Tracer. This is the 24 RKS floor plan. As you can see, you do get big power awning, dual entry. You do have power stabilizers in this one too. Also brand new for 2020 in the Tracer line. They are all coming with a tire pressure monitor system right from the factory. So you do get a little screen that comes with it, and you'll see the green valve stem caps on it. So it will monitor your tire pressure as you're going down the road and before you leave too. Now let's check out the inside of this new floor plan. All right, so inside the 24 RKS, it is completely revamped. It is a new interior. It comes with a new backsplash, some new coloring on the wallpaper, and a new wood color. This floor plan does come with a lift TV, so press of a button and it will lower down and you can get the window there instead. Your theater seats, nice recliners here that do have LED lights, and you can charge your phone from there as well. Perfect for a couple of people that don't need anything too big. It's really lightweight. You still get a slide out, tons of storage, separate bedroom with a walk-through bathroom. Really just a great couples coach here in the new Tracer. All right, the kitchen of the 24 RKS, so you get it up against the back wall here. One big stainless steel sink, a lot of counter space for something in this size of a travel trailer. Your typical two-way fridge, so gas and electric. It's got the auto setting. And then you do get the full Furrion kitchen with the Furrion microwave and hood. Also your 3-burner stovetop and oven here too. All right, also you do get tons of storage in this new model too. So big closet space here. You do get a sound bar that'll connect right to the TV or the radio system as well. And all that is as you're walking into your separate bedroom. It does have its own entrance back here, as well as an entrance to the bathroom as well. All right, guys, that's it for the brand new 2020 Primetime Tracer 24 RKS. If you do have any more questions or anything, come see us right at the store. Again, my name is Dylan Yorks. I work at the North Tonawanda location of Colton RV. Thanks.